LCD display with the white LED light. Then we have on the top, it's a snooze on light option. Like you have to just press it. If we come on the back side, so on the back side we have some buttons and battery compartment as well. So here we can see the first button is adjust the time and month button. Then the second one is minute and date button. You can just set the minute, date, and this is the below one. It's a Fahrenheit and Celsius. Then the third button is adjust the year and hour conversion button. So if you want to just change the hour like 12 or 24 hours format, and this is year. And the left side button is alarm on and alarm off function. If you want to just turn it on, you can just move it upside. And if you want to just turn it off, just below on the same position. So this button is, you can see it's a light sensing selection button for the sensor. On the right side, it's a function selection button. You can see there are multiple function: lock, then alarm set, date set, and time set. And here is the speaker for the alarm music. If you come on the below side, here it's a battery compartment. So it will require total 3 batteries, and it's a AAA battery. So we are just going to load the battery into this alarm clock. So on the first time when you load the battery, you will hear the sound. So here you can set, it's all reset time. If you want to just on the light, just press on the top. It's also snooze button as well. So here, this is the display. So on the, this is time, like hour and minute. Then on the right top corner, it's alarm function, like whichever you want to set, you can see over here. Then exactly middle one, it's a month and date. And below the last one, it's a temperature. And on the left side, here it's a AM, PM, it's time format. Now we are just going to set the time. So for that, what you need to do, you have to choose the function selection button. Here you can see the function button, and you have to set on the last time set. So just scroll it below, the last one. So once you select the set time, the time will blink, hour and minutes. You can use the hour button for changing the hour, like this. Now we'll just set the minute. For that, you have to just press the minute button, the middle one button. Now here you can see we have PM. Now if you want to just change the 12 hours to 24 hours, you have to press the hour conversion button. Now you can see. Now we are just going to set the date and month. For that, you have to just select the middle one. It's a date set function. Just push it upside. Now here you can see it's blinking, date, month and year. The same way you can use these 3 buttons for changing the year or month and date. Now you can see we are just changing the month. Now if you want to just change the date, the middle one, just press it and you can just set the desired date. And for this, like if you want to just change the year, just press the last button, it's our button. So now we have just set the time, then date. Now the last one option, it's for the alarm. For that, you have to just again push it back, and you can see over here it's the alarm set. The set. So you can see the blinking is started for the alarm. The same way you can set the hour and minute using the back button. Okay. Now you have just set the time, date and alarm. Now you can just push it upside and lock it. So nothing will be changed, whatever you press over here. Now for the alarm, we have just set the 5:21 and current time it's 5:19. So now you have to just turn on the alarm. Here you can see if alarm is off, like it will not ringing. So you have to just push on the upside. Okay. Now we'll wait for the 5:21. And here you can also see the alarm icon and the snoozing function as well. So please make sure, here is AM, so you have to just set the AM. So please make sure before you set the alarm time. Now you can hear the sound. So when the alarm sound is ringing, press the snooze button and it will stop for 6 minutes again at the same time. So after 4 and 6 minutes, it will start again. So we are just going to see the last function. It's a light sensing selection button. The middle one, you can see on, off. So basically it depends on the external environment. Basically it is used for this white light. If there is a more darker, like then the light will be bright. So I will show you. So we are just going to turn on this function. Now you can see. So it's work on sensor. So basically this digital watch is very useful. You can use in night. You don't need to try to find out where is the clock or what, because it's work on sensor.